Hi, I'm going to show you how to easily upload a video to the SanDiego350 YouTube channel. Now before you start, you need to have access to the SanDiego350 YouTube channel. So once you secure that, you'll be able to easily upload videos. The first thing that you're going to do is open up your browser and navigate to the SanDiego350 YouTube channel. If you look in the upper right hand corner of your screen at the flashing red circle, you'll see an icon that indicates which account you're in. If you click on that icon, it will indeed confirm that you're in the SanDiego350 account. The next thing to look for, again at the flashing red circle to the center right of the top of your screen, is the camera icon with a little plus on it. Once you locate that, click on that icon and select Upload Video. The next thing that displays is a dialog box that allows you to drag and drop video files to upload. Now I'm going to switch over to my desktop view so I can show you how I do this. I'm simply going to select the video that I want to upload and drag it into the dialog box. Now the first thing that you'll notice, again in the upper right hand corner, is that YouTube is telling you that it's saving the draft. Once the draft is saved, you can modify the rest of the information. So now it has been saved as draft. And if you notice in the details that the title information is actually the name of the video file you chose to upload. In this case, our video is about climate action plans, so I'm going to rename the title that. Next, under the description, you want to tell your viewers what this video is about. If you scroll down further, you'll see an option for thumbnails. Now you can wait for YouTube to finish processing your video, after which it will suggest thumbnails for you to use. In this case, I already have a thumbnail that I want to use, so I'm going to click on Upload Thumbnail. The thumbnail I want is simply a screenshot that I took of the opening slide used in this video. I ignore the playlist options and scroll down to the audience option. Here I'm going to select No is not made for kids. The next thing that I'll do is click on the Show More option. I'm going to ignore paid promotions and the rest of it, except for I am going to enter some tags. A tag is used for viewers to search YouTube videos. In this case, again, our video is about climate action plans, so I don't need to include the title as a tag because that will automatically come up in searches about climate action plans. But I would want to include the abbreviation for climate action plan. Now I'm going to enter a couple of tags for this video, and all I need to do is to enter my next one is hit the comma key. Now I think I'll use climate actions or action and climate advocacy. So now I'm done with that. I ignore the rest of the options in the screen and click Next. Under the video elements, I'm going to ignore everything and click Next. Now the checks is something that YouTube does to verify that your video doesn't have issues that restrict its visibility, and alerts you to fix those issues before publishing your video. The checks will not run until the standard definition, or SD, version of your video has finished processing. YouTube will automatically process SD versions or standard definition versions of your video and the high definition version. In any case, we can ignore this for now and click Next. Under the visibility options, you have 3 things to choose for how you save and publish your video. You can select to publish your video as private. In this case, your video will not display on the SanDiego350 YouTube channels when users navigate to that channel. You can, however, select to privately share it with individual accounts. In this case, we're not going to use the private publishing method. The next option is to publish your video as unlisted. As with the private, unlisted videos will not display on the SanDiego350 YouTube channel. However, anyone with the video link can view your video on YouTube. The last option is the one that we're going to use, which is called public. When you publish your video as public, it will display on the SanDiego350 YouTube channel. Over to the right-hand portion of your screen, you see that it contains a video link. Click on the copy video icon, and then you can paste that into an email or into a document to share with people. Next, you have the option to schedule when to make your video public. Now it's late my time, so I'm just going to wait until tomorrow morning before I come back to this and have this to verify that my video is just okay. There's no adjustments that I need to make for it, and then have it published as public. So I am just going to say I should have time to check on everything and resolve all issues by 10 o'clock in the morning. So that's when I'm going to publish this video. The last thing to do is click on Schedule. You'll get a dialog box telling you that your video would be set to public on the date and time you specified after the standard definition video has finished processing. Just click Close and you are done. You'll notice in the first row under Channel Content is the video that you just uploaded. The visibility is pending because it's not going to go public until tomorrow at 10. There are currently no restrictions because YouTube has not checked your video yet. It will do that once it's through processing. And the date field will get filled in as the date that you uploaded the video or published your video. So that's all you have to do to upload a video to the SanDiego350 YouTube channel. One more thing, I will show you how to make changes to the settings that we just made. So let's say I've uploaded this video, I've set a description, the title, and a publishing date and time, and I want to change one or more of those. I would simply click the pencil icon or on the thumbnail itself. So in this screen, I can change any of these details. Once I make a change, then in the upper right hand corner, you'll see the option to save your change or undo change. I'm going to undo my change for right now. Also, in the right hand portion of your screen, you'll see the box that says Visibility Pending. If I click on that, I can change when my video gets published. Or I can select Save and Publish Immediately. In this case, I'm just going to leave it at its published schedule. and go back out of this screen. So that's all you need to do. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you find it useful.